Welcome, sir.
Welcome, General. Sir, this is announcing my position. Ready to be sent anywhere for anything at this moment. Sir.
You're a good military material. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Driver, stand by. The agency on cross. Call me Katako.
Elvis, fetch Katako.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing here?
Good afternoon, sir.
Don't say good afternoon, sir. Say good afternoon, General, and you salute.
Good afternoon, General, sir.
What are you doing here? Listen to me. This man is a military institution. I have seen blue, I have seen black. And wherever I go, people respect me. Have you heard me say yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. What are you doing here? Don't keep staring at me like a rat caught in a trap. What are you doing here? One more time. What in Satan's hell are you doing here? Idiot.
Soldiers of the General. Hey, hey, hey. Soldiers of the General. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey! Hey! You may now put your caps on. Shambo.
Yes, sir.
Logistics. Katako.
Sir.
Planning.
Sir.
Kabiru.
Yes, sir.
Security. Elvis.
Sir.
Assistance. Logistics. Neka.
Yes, sir.
Water. Fill up the 3 tanks. Imelda.
Yes, sir.
Not yes, sir, my friend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Assist her in filling up the tanks. EJ.
Yes, sir.
Kitchen. Last week, 2 of our soldiers were down with a running stomach. Let that not repeat itself again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Rules of the cantonment are not flexible. Neither is the general, neither am I. Honorman,
Yes, sir.
environment. If I so much as see one dirty bottle littered in this place, I'll ship off your family to Madagascar. Do I make myself understood?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Kitchen. Last week, 2 of our soldiers were down with a running stomach. Let that not repeat itself again.
Yes,
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Rules of the cantonment are not flexible. Neither is the general, neither am I. Standard, hey! That's
This thing is not funny again. It is not. I don't like the drama your dad is organizing down there. It's true, we lived all the greater part of our life in the military. And he's retired, so you stop all that.
But you were laughing with us not so long ago.
Oh my, not me. What for the general? What? See, you better talk to your father.
Wait, do you think you can actually stop that from this military and things? Yeah.
The general is here. Everybody scatter.
Kabir, what do you think you're doing?
Say, Bina, he say, make us scatter. He say, wait there.
Shut up.
Sorry, sir.
Who said scatter?
General, I did.
I am the one to say scatter, not you.
Sorry, my general.
Now scatter.
It's okay.
That is everything military. He cannot stop it. That's why he prefers to be called the general. So stop disturbing yourself. But this man is here. I never change.
Mom, come and see for yourself. See, Dad has literally turned our house into the mini private barracks.
And what is hilarious about this? Are you seeing a parade for the first time? Oh, for that. Did you not grow up in army barracks?
Very well. See, I'm not complaining for nothing. You better talk to your father about this. Just talk to your father. He's your friend. And talk to him. And he is your husband. Mommy General. Wife of the general.
Velvet. Take this condition. I am the only one who is entitled to the address as the wife of the general. Because I am the first wife.
Say it to Julia. Say it to Julia.
Okay. So, Mommy, you are first lady.
Sure.
While Auntie here is the second lady.
Point of correction. I'm the general's wife. Okay.
Now lock horns. Good. Scatter. 2. Scatter.
Free. All right. I'm going to forgive you now. But if you ever make that mistake again, I will keep you here. You will be knocking heads till morning. Have you heard me? Yes, have you heard me? Yes. Now, so come down.
Thank you, my general.
Well done.
There's something that tell me something. What you mean? Say, maybe say. He's supposed to take all that money. You go take all that money. Now who you be? Be careful. I said now who you be for you. Be careful, man. I don't want you. After Ghana me. I said after Ghana me. Which can you be that? See security officer for here. See security officer for foot. What? When they tell you, say, you know, say you now wicked human being. And they tell you for your face, say you be wicked human being. You don't talk finish. I be wicked human being. Yes.
You think say I wicked? They don't say I get bad mind. Make I tell you, no only shout you fit shout. If you know say your head they hot, just little touch my body, make I come out from your mouth.
No. How are you? Go sit down. Go sit down. They tell me something.
Make I don't need go inside because of you.
Wait it up.
You know, if Oga catch the both of you already, now double wahala.
Who the fear wahala? See, make I tell you now, maybe it's school. Give the bit of someone here. If wahala come, I go carry my head, carry wahala. I know the wahala. Now this person have be trouble for this place. So Oga ask small question what Oga ask. He say, now when he go make my teeth no go there for ground, he jump up. He tell me say, Oga, he no get any reason why my teeth no go there.
Why your teeth no go there? Why your teeth no go there?
Is enough. It's okay. All of us were here when it happened. Remember that Shabo was trying to save his head.
And on top of that, sir, even Kabiru received the same punishment and treatment.
No noise.
Yes.
It's okay. Stop making noise here.
Making
Hello? Now who they make noise? Now who they make noise? Well, you don't get respect for elders. See, make I tell you, now your papa they make noise from.
Now your mama.
I mean, I just say now your papa they make noise.
Mama Kabiru.
Now this useless man. Now this man I cause trouble. We make Oga say they will come out my teeth. They come jump and say go bring plier. Make Oga use it come up for my teeth, for inside my mouth.
Have you make I tell you? Only that noise you sabi to make. You don't forget the kind of woman being our master gave. Don't forgive, Forget that. I would teach you less way make her forget. See this one. It's okay. Nobody should remember the Kabiru.
You do now.
Kabiru. It is only him.
Let me be honest now.
See, I'm not. God is on this.
I am here and you'll sit on her.
Will you come and open the gate? I think this place is playground. It's like you don't have work to do.
No!
Hey, hold on. You won't go in my car. You won't go in my car.
What is wrong with you?
Give me this.
Nelly, are you mad?
Leave my hands.
Oh, yes, will you leave my hand? What makes you think I'm forcing you out of my hand? Don't make me beat you like a child now. What makes you think I'm forcing you out of my hands? Are you mad?
It's you that is mad.
Don't have rest.
You're the one that is mad.
Nonsense.
Nonsense too. Hey, beat me, Nelly. And not in your widest imagination.
So you can't get mad at the same time.
Just like a man.
Instead of me to hand this key over to you, rather drop it here.
Shame on you! Woo! Shame on you! Get me the wig. Hey, get me the wig.
Yes, ma'am.
And listen, whenever my wig falls, it's sure to pick it up.
No, sir.
Salute the chief of staff on double speed. Hey! Hoi! Hey!
Katako,
What?
did you hear her? Did you see that?
I saw you, sir. Permission to correct myself, sir.
Relax. That will not be necessary. You see, in this place, we are private soldiers. And you know the kind of person our master is. General MAURICE is a no-nonsense, tough as nails, retired general. Remember that. The most effective way doing your job in this place is the military way. But not to worry. Come with me. There is a very important dispatch that you will run with sharp.
Permission to follow, sir.
Tell EJ that the rest of the soldiers are starving. The sooner the food is ready, the better. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Dismissed.
Hey, Kabiru. This one where you squeeze your face like this. Why? How you dey ask Kabiru this kind? You are not the one of that punish both of us because of what he did.
Shebi he dey that place where he take him punishment, me I take my own punishment. You know they there. He dey ask question.
What of me? What of me? What got jam for head? You know, see, were you not there? See, make I tell you, that's what this place be. That's all. The general, they talk too much. Now, no nonsense, man. Lucia, he's not attacking me because I volunteered myself to bring a plier for that to come out and did. You don't know what's happening with me.
No talk that thing there. They say you no mean it. You don't say you no mean it. If you say you go bring that plier at that place, Oga go use it to come on my teeth keep for grand o. Because he say Oga dey follow the laugh. Say you no mean it.
That one aside, let's forget that one. Kabiru, there is a responsibility that falls on the table right now as we speak, as the CSO.
Okay. Responsibility.
Much as it concerns all of us, but more on me.
Me Kabiru CSO. He fall on top my table.
Yes.
Waiting be that, waiting be the problem. Make it talk about it.
So, Kabiru,
Yeah.
you never hear say some people are planning to enter this part of the town for secret services.
Who be that person? Who be that person with the plan that kind of thing? Who be that?
That kidnappers.
Yes.
Don't enter all the direct when it's
You mean it? But he gets something I want to tell you. You dey hear me so? You say na me be Kabiru, na me be CSO for this place. Yeah. You see this job, you know say e get the way wey dem dey share am. Na military people, federal military people, na dem get that work o. Say me dey hear me so? Na dem go know how they go take do the kidnapping people. But you see for this place, for this cantonment wey me and you dey so, make it tell me o. Anybody wey carry kidnapping come for this place, me Kabiru, I saw I go fire him head person go die for here o. Shebi dey hear me?
You are correct. But there's another side to it. These kidnappers have informants living among the people in the town. They also have some people who are selling food, petrol, and toiletries to them in the bush. So Kabiru, if you see something, say something.
Say something. No be when I see something, I go say something. Now when I see something, I go say something. I go ask you. Now who dey do?
You know, say our Oga, the retired general, he has strong connection to the government. And the
some people are sponsoring these kidnappers. Yes, because it is also that sponsor that are bringing them food, petrol, toiletries. If you say it don't concern you, one day, maybe it will concern you when they kidnap a member of your family. There you go. But
Not only government.
yes.
Make you hear and make one see?
Go, Sambo, make I tell you something. You see, for this cantonment, now me be CSO. Anything that happen inside this cantonment, now for my head in there. If you come up for this gate, nothing concern you.
How you know concern you?
You no concern you.
How you know concern you?
You no concern you.
You don't say don't enter our territory. They talk about inside containment.
And they tell you something.
Not be only inside government. Not be only inside government. See outside. Now everywhere the guy.
No be for here, they pay me money for.
Everywhere the guy.
They pay me money for
But
outside.
something that happen outside will affect you too.
You can make
You no concern me. You no concern
when
me.
they come here, come all of us. If I head, they
Now you go carry bomb, call ya, call bomb. I don't take it. I don't tell you the truth though.
I understand what you see. I'm not that man. I suffered so much.
You get it what I'm trying to say.
Well, I will be thinking and after you question
Says who?
I haven't said it yet. But I'm really thinking it.
Are you a face reader? I don't have such a thing on my mind.
Well, I might be disturbing you so much the past weeks. That's because I can afford any other sharp guy to do this Christian and everything. I don't respect this.
Okay, so let's call it a day here.
Is that the best way to say it?
Okay. Alright, see ya.
When am I getting it?
Excuse me. You know my father has men everywhere. He's standing here in disguise.
So, it's all about you.
See ya.
What is this?
Good morning, man.
Eh? What is this? No, I don't need all this military ceremony associated with just an ordinary greeting. Next time, don't let me repeat myself, okay?
What? Oga said that.
Said what? Eh? What the hell are you looking like dressed? I mean, what the hell is this? Eh? Is this a military kitchen? Eh?
Yes. The general has ordered that this kitchen remains a potential army kitchen. Do you have a problem with that?
I don't know why the general has refused to understand me. Eh? You should keep all this military drama to himself. And let my personal staff remain my personal staff. I wonder why she's dressed like this. She even goes for morning parade with them.
Did I hear you say something about personal staff?
Yes.
Did the general assign Ijoma to you as a personal staff?
Yes, he did.
No, it's not possible.
General has to come and explain this to me.
Explain what?
No! Where is the general?
Who general?
You have to come down and settle this.
She is my personal staff.
You dare not. You dare not. Who the hell do you get me to have a personal staff? Don't even try me. Have to come and explain to me. This person, do not try me. Why you do this?
Julia.
I don't have your time.
Julia, don't tell me this morning, no. Idiot. And you.
Sunje was Sunja. As soon as
Ó tún ti gbé wàhálà tápà. Kí ló sọ táàgù? Ìyá àgbà. Ló ṣe.
Nna yi magana da
Tápà.
kin cika surutu wallahi ko yaushe ne kina neman su.
Ne-
Allah ba ka ca gidan nan.
Why you was calling with her? What's it this time around?
Tell your father to stop all this military gimmicks he's playing this compound. I don't like it. Eze, are you even listening to me?
What do you even think of yourself? You want to fight him? Go ahead and do it. Now my back in the respect.
Son, this is what happens when you marry bloody civilian.
Daddy, can we go out there?
Okay.
I've tried to talk to your father, but he chose to ignore me.
So you want to challenge him because he ignored you? All these years you married into this family, you don't know that ignoring someone is our husband's hobby. Maybe we should learn to call him by his name. He can ignore you, but no. Is it?
Simply call him General what he wants to hear.
Yes.
Are you blaming me for running this place like a military contender? What is wrong with it? I choose to run this place the way I want to. Or has there been a conspiracy between both of you?
Hey boys, good once in a while for us. Calling you, but I believe that's what we do.
Yes. She could read
Join them.
That's your business. What did you say?
I said I was a stupid act.
From me?
Are you okay? I'm okay.
Can you just stop this thing? Sorry.
This woman is wicked.
Who's wicked? And why are you looking at me like this?
Why would I look at you like that? You're heartless.
Imagine.
You were quarreling with our husband. I came to your rescue. When he held my neck, what did you do?
Wow. Did I invite you to rescue me?
Excuse me? Did you just say that to my mom?
Yes.
I am totally disappointed in you.
Ooh, you can as well be appointed.
Really?
Yeah.
The General. I hope you don't mind, but I feel you're getting too obsessed with the whole military thing around here.
Listen, have they never seen a private security outfit before? Look, all the people who work for me belong to my private army. Every single one of them, including those who work inside the kitchen.
I understand what you're saying there. But you should also understand that you have retired from the military and you should leave the military life alone. Dad, remember that there are lots of terrorists out there. And the more you keep doing this, the more you keep endangering your family.
Thank you, son.
I am also sure that some of your military colleagues are very jealous of you.
Don't let that bother you. I've spent all my life coping with jealousy. It's not new to me at all.
Okay. What about what people are saying that you're running a private military in your combat?
How does that concern you, sir? How? Have you become the chief security advisor to the president?
I've heard you, sir. I salute you, the General.
All correct.
That's what happened. Not your
the general's wife by the waist. Come with me. You, come here. Go there. Trust me, if the general finds out what you boys have done, you will have your hands.
Come on, pick my shoe because I'm bringing this out.
Sir? What happened here?
Sir, I came out and I saw the two wives fighting. And I saw your private soldiers saying to them.
So what has happened? Ide, General, sir. Next time, don't hide anything from me.
Yes.
Ibe. Sir. Take these two rascals and give them some good military treatment. Yes, sir. Katako. Sir. Shampoo. Sir. Idiots.
And what was going on here?
We are cooking.
You now know cook in this house. Since when? Because the last time I remember you were employed in this house to help out with the gardening and also with the general cleaning, so you now know cook.
She came to clean the kitchen and then I told her to assist me in cooking. Yes.
Really?
Yes. We are cooking.
Just look at the both of you. Look at how stupid you sound. Now listen to me. This will be the first and last time I will come in and see any of you is trouble to my family issue. Is that okay? Yes, sir! Good. Cook. Assistant cook.
No. You don't know how to lie. Why did you tell him that you were cooking? We all know that you were employed in this house. We all know that you were not employed as a cook.
They know the one that called me to come and hear what was happening. Please don't call me next time.
So, look at small Ofo trying to command us as who? Because he's the general son of here. You want to command us like general or what? Nonsense.
Now you talk that way. I mean, I know the way you talk.
Because bro, what?
idiot. You are flogging me and still calling me a gentleman.
Shut up! Shut up!
The General has authorized me to take it from here. Orders are orders. And before I forget, Shampo and Katako, we were supposed to separate a fight between the women. What did you do instead? You held the General's wives from behind, seizing that as an opportunity to enjoy yourselves.
No, it was not what happened. It was not like that.
Sorry, sir. That was not how it was.
Please, there is the madam.
Very well. The General may forgive you on the grounds of trust. But here's a piece of advice. Next time, do not allow your interventionist mentality to come close to paths with angels. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make myself clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm tired.
Yes, you to untie us.
Remove this thing. I'll say something.
You better do this.
Don't go in my
Remove this thing.
Wait first.
I will deal with you.
Okay.
You poured water on me.
Quiet.
Remove this thing. You poured water on me. And you are flogging me in the street.
I'm just following an order.
See what you have done to me.
Next time,
I will deal with all of you. I will deal with all of you.
Say, I tell you that I say, una go separate fight. Oga family dey fight, una wan go separate fight.
See, me they don't deal with that issue.
You know I almost joined them.
I definitely miss you.
I don't know how I changed my mind.
You go thank your God though. You go thank your God. If you receive punishment like the way they receive.
Alright, that's enough. I don't even want any of you boys to blame these people for what is happening. Remember, if Oga had found out that none of us did anything, he would have had all our heads on the plate.
Thank you very much. I respect you because of your maturity. Yes. But why did both of you go there? Don't you know that something will touch something?
No be sir. No be that one. I need to wait this. That's how Oga head. Because you know, when you go there, that's somebody. You go there,
Enough of this. Enough. Let no one of them was any longer. Katago! Let us go upstairs and dress up.
In a punishment finish.
Kabir, enough. Since when you are laughing at them, tomorrow night might be your turn. You know I can pick on anybody at any time.
Hey, forget that thing there. Wait, I'm gonna tell you something. Wait, make I tell you something. You see, for this place, some people don't carry this work for and like family problem. So you dey hear me so. This is for this place. As a private security officer, who no be military people. You say no, you can be general for here. No, you be military person. All of us na fake. All of us be even person na fake.
That's enough. I don't care whatever we are. The most important thing is that Oga pays our salaries promptly and occasionally gives us tips. Isn't it true?
Well, Oga is a good man. I forget about his military. He's a good man.
Fine, thanks a lot. All of you, go back to your duty post and don't forget that there are cameras watching all of our activities. So be mindful of what you say, what you do, and how you behave in this cantonment. Don't say I didn't warn you.
You think I understand what you... The camera dey for here. So if somebody give me small, if dey for here, where I go take buy go dey talk. See, Oga go see am. My brother.
The last time I gave you instructions to check the cameras, what do you think I was saying non-stop?
See, I dey forget something for my head. I no remember. I no remember.
One of these days you forget that you're dead.
Even make you know something and make you see us go for here. So now, make that thing enter for your head though. Don't
Where are these ladies? I'm going for a meeting. And remember, I asked you to go to the market. And make sure you do not spend the rest of your day trying to buy a few condiments for the kitchen. Okay?
Yes, madam. I will not waste time.
Okay.
I will go to the market and I will come back. You can even spit on the floor. I will go and come back. Fast. Salute, madam. On double step.
What did you just do?
But mother, Oga said we should be greeting you.
After I've told you ladies not to bother greeting me like this. You see, such things don't matter to me. How many times do I have to repeat myself?
Madam, Oga has planted cameras everywhere in the house. And if we disobey you, we will be in trouble. Yes, ma'am.
Tell Oga that I'm not interested. Okay? Nonsense. Oga has Oga.
Private soldiers of General MAURICE and Eze. Scatter. Right arm 180 degrees. And when I say right arm, you do that in uniformity, my friend. Otherwise, you are taking a trip to Madagascar. Bring your arms down. Right arm 180 degrees. Good. Down. Left arm 180 degrees. Good. As you were. Right leg up. No. We will repeat that. If you try to get out, cut off your knees. Watch me. Right leg up. Very good. Adjust those legs, soldier. Down. Left leg up. Down. Right leg up. Down.
Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I thank you for accepting them. But the problem is, I can't tell why you are in such a haste.
My father is the strictest person I've ever seen. Coming out of my house is not an easy task. Yes, you have to spend days planning how to sneak out of the house.
Why have you always talked about this your father's strictness? Why is it that strict?
Private soldiers everywhere.
Private soldiers? Is he a soldier?
Retired but not tired.
Oh, I get it. But not to worry. I have my way around soldiers. Oh my God.
How? Is any of your family member a soldier?
Well, not exactly.
Then what is it?
I guess that's the story for another day.
No, tell me something. It appears to me that you have a military background too.
Well, as a young boy, I used to run errands for soldiers at the barracks. As a matter of fact, I was living with an uncle who is a soldier. So whenever any opportunity came up, I would run errands for soldiers and they would give me some token.
You are making money no be today.
And I got a hustle, you know. So, you see your father's house? I'm going there and I'm beating those protocols.
Private soldiers of General Morrison, is it? Scatter. Right arm 180 degrees. Left arm 180 degrees. Good. As you were. Right leg up. Don't slow me down when I say right leg up. You fucking raise those right legs up. Left leg up. Right leg up. Left leg up. Very good. I see a lot of you are adding too much weight. Remember, you have to be fit. You're able to fight. Now watch me. We're gonna do some punching and defending. Because out there in the army, your enemy will be merciless. Look the enemy right in the eyes and strike. Watch me. Right leg. This will go, right leg, punch at the same time. So watch. Right leg will come and the punch will come. So once I do that, I'm punching at the same time, bending the left. Oh, two punches, and I'll show you how to go. Are you with me? Is that clear? Good. Right leg. Left. Right. Good. Increase your steps. Remember, you must not be slow. You must be fit, alert at all times. The legs will move like this. You see that? Good. Once more. Right leg. Left leg. Right. Thank you. Now, when you're punching, the enemy is likely going to defend. So, when you punch with this arm, you will defend if you return steps. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir!
Good! Remember, you should be standing like a soldier, not like a whore jumping from a whorehouse window. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir!
As you were. Back at one. Good! Private soldiers of General Morrison, this is not just a drill. Get ready for your next assignment. Before then, once more. 2, 3. Come on, hold it there till I return, then you go back to your position. 1, 2, 3. As you were. Beautiful. Sergeant Katako, step forward. Now watch this. There is no male or female in the private general's army. Everybody is the same. Defend this. You gotta be fast, soldier. Who's in your grip? The age is catching up with you. Watch this. Good. When I strike with my right, you defend with your left hand. That's it. Okay? Watch me. And did you see that? Good. For adventure, the enemy changing strategies. 1, 2, and. But you cannot see that. Okay, stomach is coming out too much. Get ready. Come here. You come here. Repeat what I just did for the two of you. We'll make it extra. You come for 3 steps forward. You 3 steps forward. Face each other. Tell them something. Go! These are tired soldiers. That's their position. I'm not going to recommend the court martial. It's a general once more. Hey! 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 Good. Hang it there. Turn. Hey! Hey! Repeat. Hey! 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 Did you see that? Alright. Shake it up. Private soldiers, MAURICE, that's it. Nothing you go, what's up? Okay, let's go. Good.
Let's go!
General Morrison is my in-law. Thank you very much for the audience. We've said a lot sitting down here, but the nutshell of it is this contract that I'm coming for. You are highly connected. Number one, you are my in-law. Number two, you are highly connected among the powers that be. Please help me secure this contract in the Ministry of Defense. And I promise you one thing, I will appreciate you later.
Muloko, my in-law. Did you say you will appreciate me later? I don't like fast-forwarding appreciations, Let's get down to brass tacks, please.
How do you mean?
Facts and figures, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
I thought we discussed this very thoroughly the other time I came to this house.
You came to my cantonment.
Oh.
So call it cantonment, call it barracks, call it garrison. Such are the words I like to hear. Oh, by the way, when you came here, did this place look like to you like an ordinary house? No, couldn't be. So back to what we were discussing ab initio.
You mean the gratifications that follow?
That come before. That's what I'm talking about. That precede the award of the contract. I'll tell you why I'm saying that. Getting a contract from the Ministry of Defense is like procuring the testicles of a lion. It's like running the gauntlet, So if you come out with your life, then you're lucky. So we don't take chances. You give me the appreciation up front, and I know you're serious.
But we're in-laws.
You know the argument. Now maybe say so for this place. Promise yes. We tell you not be promise yes. You must say that general and promise yes. I'm very blessed for village man like you. Well, give us no you know the happen. You are a village man. Show me what. Show me what.
You shouldn't be surprised when you see all this. Wonder what happened in my cantonment.
Sorry, General. Nah, in the
Hey, shut up, you paranoid buffoon. Can't you see the general has a visitor? And you, with your legs like second Einstein ways, are you insane?
Stop.
Kadeko. What's up, Ido?
What's up?
Alright, soldier, on your knees. Quickly, reduce your height. And you, sing. Stretch forth your hands. I won't say it again.
You seem to be enjoying yourself, honestly. I don't know. I don't know how do I say I'm being entertained or threatened. I don't know.
Well, I think you're being entertained because not everybody that comes here enjoys this exposure, if I may put it that way, they do this, they take liberties and they pay for it.
You seem to have been preparing for this place for your retirement.
Well, you could say that. I spent 30 years in the army. I left the army. The army did not leave me. So I started this garrison. By the way, if you walk in here, you are in the garrison of General Morrison Eze, GOC commanding. While I was in the army, I was being referred to as Kurungumugun Kifi. And so everything you see here belongs to me, uniform and all. That's my investment. And that's how I live the rest of my life. Yeah.
No wonder. I must say that my sister met her match in you. She seems to have procured some discipline of late. Very stubborn lady, honestly.
I am happy you know that. Yeah, but Well, she's beginning to learn. Unfortunately, the hard way, yeah.
Interesting. Wow. Well, must be on my way now, the General. Please, don't forget my proposal.
It's all right. No, it's all right. I have it in mind. I will not forget. Ibe.
Sir.
See you off. And then arrange to have a carton of wine and a he goat.
Sir, yes, sir.
Oh, that for you?
Yeah. And Edochie, please join EJ in the kitchen. Make sure the food is ready.
Yes, sir.
You know what? This matter does not even call for this argument. Your husband is such a difficult human being and you know it. I can't even believe that my own friend is treating me this way just because I need help from him. Or maybe because he's now so connected, as they put it.
So what do you want me to do now?
You know, you were the one that encouraged me to talk to your husband in the first place. You gave me every assurance that if I spoke to him, he was going to budge and all that. And now you're asking me what I want you to do.
Chief Moloko, what makes you think I can influence my husband's decision? You know, he's not that kind of man. My husband is not an easy man. The only way I discuss with my husband is by quarreling.
Oh.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that your husband is interested in the contract himself, judging by his attitude so far.
So what makes you think you can be fishing in the same river with my husband? You know, my husband is a retired military general, and he hangs around the corridors of power.
That was why I was very careful choosing my words. As a matter of fact, I was being careful what I answered him, because maybe you say one thing and he'll pick it against you and all that. I understand all of that gimmicks. He's always been like that. He's always been like that. That's the reason for you.
So what did he say to you?
I was being careful what I would answer, because there was no knowing what one would say and got himself into trouble. So I was being careful. You know your husband, a very smart man, right from those days. So I was just being choosy with my words.
What is in there for me? What's my kickback?
Oh, there you go again. You are his wife. You are the wife of the general. Very close to him, for goodness sake. Try talking to this man. Talk to him in such a way that he will budge. The moment I got the contract, if I get the contract, you can be sure you will smile for the rest of your life. I know, you know, I can fire from so many cylinders at the same time and you won't be left off, I tell you.
I just asked, what is in there for me?
Well, you know, your husband's first wife is my sister, by the way.
Okay.
And I didn't talk, I didn't just come to you for nothing. I understand you are closer to your husband than my sister. Just press this button for me and leave the rest.
Can I ask you a question?
Please do.
Why don't you go through your sister, who is my husband's first wife?
Come on, she's my sister, but I know exactly where the right buttons are and how to press them.
Go through her now.
You are closer to your husband, for goodness sake. There are things my sister cannot even mention before her husband. I know what I'm doing.
Chief Moloko.
Yes.
I'm interested in my court.
Are you walking away? My goodness. Everything around the general is like the general himself. Oh.
The general is happy today. What happened?
Do I take that as a greeting? Oh, by the way, how was the meeting?
Meeting? You're just coming back from work.
Oh, no. The meeting was part of the work. Probably did that.
I just said I'm coming back from work.
Congratulations to the second wife of Generation. Great woman. Next time, before Moloko tries to use you to get a contract through me, you will think again. Particularly after the way you handled him today. First, he wanted to come clean, so I threw in the dice, and he got confused.
What is correction? He was looking for an access into the Ministry of Defense, so I directed him to you, man to man.
He directed him to me. He found that he had hit a brick wall. So what did he do? He tried to get everything through you. And you represented me beautifully. Sent it back to me. You did?
How did you get these findings? Were you stalking me?
Let's just say, I got you wired.
You got me wired?
Yeah, Captain. Look into your bag. Any item you find there that was not put by you are installed. But your companion for today.
You did what?
Now you know who General Eze is. I don't take chances. That's part of my training. Welcome.
You mean he bought all these things for you?
Yes, Mom.
There's something you're not telling me. You just met this man and he bought all these expensive things for you. No. There's something my daughter's not telling me. For how long have you been dating him?
Mom, she just encouraged me to open up to you. Why are you investigating me like that?
I hope he's not a soldier, father's type.
Oh, wait, Mom, you know you're a strong woman. To marry dad is not easy at all.
The obsession you're talking about marriage, has it progressed yet?
When you were asking hope he's not a soldier, what were you referring to? Is it not marriage?
Look, Dad, I'm not joking. Can you show me his pictures or his picture on your phone?
No, Ma. It remains a surprise to the day I bring him here formally.
Okay.
Yes.
But a piece of advice. Don't start using those items now. Be very, very careful. Okay?
Yes. Ma. Mommy the mommy.
This bags are
I like your way.
These bags are beautiful.
Thank you.
Very, very good.
My general.
Hello, sir.
The one and only General MAURICE. easy. The military are failure. Defense dragon. A consummate. Intelligence wire. Hold on! Good. Permission to start.
Who taught you all that?
The son of a lion is also a lion.
You're fast growing into a big man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I just love this night. Everyone is so happy.
Well, my general, concerning what we discussed, what you promised me.
What promise was that?
The last time we discussed, I told you about my plan of building a bottled water factory, and you promised to help me finance it on the ground that I submit a feasibility report to, and I have already submitted it to you. I'm just waiting for you to check it and send me the request.
I will read it. And I will summon a meeting. We shall all go through it, stage by stage. If at the end of it all, it answers all the demands, son, I'll give you the money.
The general, this is one thing I don't like about you. Why don't you just come out and do this for him?
Yes, yes. Go on, son.
Why make him go through such rigor?
Mom, please. It's okay. Don't stop that concerning it. He said I should send it to his email. I sent it. I am just waiting for him to do the necessary.
I will read it. Then I will summon a meeting and we shall discuss the merits of that application. If it's approved, I will send you the money. At this point, I declare the meeting ended.
The general.
Opening the factory in the name of the family. Julia has enough keeping the secret so she could send money to the family. Yes, wow. Wonder shall never see.
Congratulations, Madam Evildoer. I should have known that establishing a bottled water factory was for you to divert attention and then milk the family dry.
Where is this gorilla coming from?
Hello? Julia? I believe your specie in the monkey world have expired a long time ago. Or do you want to start it again?
Mommy, no. I said no.
Please, can the both of you just stop this? The house is already hot enough.
What is all this? Can't we have a moment of peace in this house?
Oh God.
And who are you to call me a gorilla?
To your mother.
Why invited her here? And who are you to call me a gorilla? And what drink did you take that is intoxicating you? And how many times a day were you asked to take it? Julia, I'm talking to you. Julia, look at me and talk to me woman to man. Look at me and talk to me. You dare call me a gorilla in my husband's house?
Not just a gorilla, but a dog.
Then you are a monkey. You are a monkey, you are a foul, you are everything evil.
How did my husband even see?
I haven't even seen you.
You should be in this.
You should be in the zoo and not me. Julia, you should be in the zoo.
You belong to this.
Julia, you should be in the zoo.
What's it?
Stop. See, where are you going?
I just need to go somewhere I could just go and clear my head off.
No, Ofo, why do you allow yourself to be used by your mother? See, tell me the truth. If you were given a factory to run, can you run it? Can you? You just came back from the youth service. All you should be thinking right now is the labor market. I mean, trying to, learn some experience from an existing establishment before you start thinking about yours.
Soldiers, get ready, stand by. The general is coming to inspect the guard of honor.
Oh, come on, shut up, soldier. Are you high on crystal meth? It is not in your place to give that command. Hey, soldier, you, Kabiru. Mark your positions. Hey! Hoi! Hey! Hoi! Hey! Welcome, General.
I am not a happy person today at all. Insecurity has gripped the entire country. Terrorism, yes. As a direct consequence, a lot of people have fled the country. And I don't blame them. Not everybody is General Eze, who fears no terrors, who is not scared of insecurity, who is known as Kulungumugunkibi. I am not scared of anything. For those of you who have decided to remain in spite of everything, you must learn to sleep with one eye open. We call it democracy with a military vigilance. That is what the country has brought us to. There are so many people today who have been captured by kidnappers. They remain in the hands of these kidnappers because they cannot meet their terms. At the end of the day, most of them get executed by these kidnappers. A lot of people have been rendered homeless, some motherless, many more fatherless in this country. The beautiful country that God gave us has become a God-forsaken country. Now listen. For those of you who have decided to remain as you return to your duty posts, bear one thing in mind. Trust nobody. What did I say?
Trust nobody.
Even your twin brother or twin sister?
Trust nobody.
And if you are supporting a politician?
Trust nobody.
If you're a traditional ruler?
Trust nobody.
If you're a religious ruler?
Trust nobody.
Even yourself?
Trust nobody.
Good. I don't find it amusing. Yeah. Because the situation is such that you don't know who to trust anymore. Remember the message. As they return to your duty posts, please sleep with one eye open. This is what the politicians have brought on us. And the only way we can cope with it is by ensuring that we don't get engulfed with terrorists. We have to be extremely careful, right? Now, scatter.
Alright, soldiers, you heard the general. Scatter to your various duty posts. Neka, Anoname, to the kitchen. Babiru, the gates. Thank you. Tatako, keep your eyes open there. Give me updates in real time.
Oh, man.
This is what I'm seeing. God, they're laughing this morning.
Wait, what did Dad tell them? That made them laugh.
Not to trust anybody.
Wow. Wait, that means today's training is totally different.
I think they even like the way he drills them in a military manner. Like, I still can't imagine why a cook and a gardener should be subjected to military training every morning.
Do you know, I'm still wondering, so Daddy can actually say something or make someone laugh.
Don't be deceived. I'm sure by now you're giving someone a dirty slap on his face or her face.
Right? What?
Oh, I told you. You're giving someone a dirty slap.
You know what, let's go.
I told you.
General, sir. Here is the fender.
Okay, go now.
Quickly.
The next time you try to interrupt me while I'm addressing my soldiers, now listen. I will use this to blow you to kingdom come, so your wife can miss you permanently.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard me?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Get out.
Thank you, sir.
What?
What do you see? Honey, will you please be my wife? What's the problem? What have I done? Okay, I get it. I'm moving too fast right now. But I'm only proposing. This is it. Shall we?
Yes, we shall. Okay. Okay.
What is going on here? Mom, is this vehicle for promo? How will you grow?
Sorry, I questioned him about playing this, but he wouldn't listen.
Your girlfriend, right? Has he told you how many girls he has introduced to me this year alone? You are number 4.
Jesus, Mom, you're embarrassing me. Am I not old enough to have a girlfriend?
Certainly old enough to be reasonable and properly mature. Come on. Come on, Mom. You're welcome. I just hope they will not bring another girl after you. I'm not always like this. He has a way of getting on my nerves. And from my calculation, you were a good girl. Take care of this rascal. I am off for a business meeting.
I think my mom likes you. She actually said you're a good girl, so it's a good sign now. Huh?
Didn't you hear her say that I'm the number 4 girl you're introducing this year? And December is far away. Please go and take me out of here.
Why? Alright, people. This is the adjustments. Murder, you come here. Take my eye on that for you. Shampoo, not the eyes of the sniper. Join for me with them. And catapult, you look in this position. Good afternoon, madam. You're welcome. Welcome back.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi, Mom.
Welcome. Thank you.
I love you, Manny.
Thank you.
Check the boat. I'll send the women and moving upstairs to the kitchen. Stop! There you can lift and not good. That's it. Move it! The wife of the general is restocking the kitchen. Hurry up! Double speed! Come on! Move your lazy asses!
you're talking about my manicure. My engagement ring. You like it?
Yes, I do. It's just that things are happening too fast.
Mom, are you afraid I will disappoint you? But don't worry, my head is still seated tight on my neck. I will never disappoint you.
It is just entertaining to watch your little girl of yesterday grow up so fast. And each time I think about it, I miss a breath.
It's because you're interested in knowing the man involved.
Congratulations to the daughter of the general. I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
Julia, have you been eavesdropping? And how is this any of your concerns?
You know, there comes a time in a woman's life where people stop asking, who is your father to who is your husband? I know we have not been best of friends, but that will not debar me from congratulating her on such a big achievement.
And what if I told you I understood the game you're playing?
Okay, Mom. Excuse me. We'll have the whole time to chat when I'm back in the room. I love you.
Congratulations, daughter of the general. Lily, what are you afraid of?
I know you're not rejoicing because my daughter is getting married. You're only happy because soon my daughter will leave this house and you continue the campaign of being the mother to the only son.
Now answer me. Who is the mother to the only son? Are you?
And who is the mother to the only daughter?
I can check it out.
Ṣé ṣe pé wọ́n fi oògùn kan tó jẹ́ kó yẹ máa yí. Àwọn aráalé bàbá ẹ̀, àwọn aráalé bàbá yẹ. Kódà kó ẹ lọ pọ̀ sí wa, kódà kẹ lọ pọ̀ sí wa, ẹ lọ lọ́sì.
Kí náà sọ mi padà? Kẹ́yìn lè bá wù ú. You olóṣì. Kẹ́yìn lè olóṣì.
Mo rí burú.
Burúkú.
Ẹ máa bó ṣe rí. Wọ́n fi òkè ẹ̀ tó.
Wetin happen na what is all this now? Wetin happen?
Ní lè bá ń dè bá kíni. Láti ẹ̀mí kì bá ń dè bá kíni.
I don't even have your time.
I have your time.
Julia, I don't have your time.
I have your time.
Because if I make this one the day for you.
Sit down. Rubbish. Came to congratulate you. You're messing up. Congratulations.
Please, just get out. I can get out. Makoshi law. Onoshi. Subordination. Yabebo. Yabebo. Onoshi. Yabebo. Iṣẹ́ ọmọ ló ṣègbéyàwó. Ọmọ tèmi ló ṣègbéyàwó. Olóṣì. Kí ló fẹ́ mọ̀ pé kò ń rí ya? Wọ́n! Gbọ́gbọ́dọ́kọ. Mom, easy. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm okay now.
My baby. I'm so sorry, okay? My Dubai baby. How fun now? Cheers! Stop this now. Let's cheers to long life, our lasting friendship. Nobody's gonna come between us. Even though. Amen. Just because of you. Of course.
Oh, this is nice. You know how that's drink.
Juna, I stole it from my daddy's. They catch us. We're in trouble. Sorry. Oh, yeah, sorry. I think now you can smile more. Laugh, baby.
Okay. Babes, like, I can't believe this place has changed within such a short time. Like, I mean, how come your father's servants, they're not dressed like military people?
Okay.
Can you beat them? Like, that's not even all. Look, you needed to have seen the kind of interrogation I got at the gate. I didn't find it funny.
No. See, I am so sorry. I'm sorry for that. Okay. See, my father is one person you cannot predict. Yes, so do you know he woke up one day and said he wanted to turn this place into a military cantonment. Yes, so he started by making uniforms for all the stewards, giving them military parade every morning. In fact, life in this house is something else.
Really?
Yes, my sister. Let me pause your bob. If you call my father daddy, he will shun you and that's your mouth. He prefers to be addressed as the general.
The general?
Of course.
sorry. My bad, but can't you see his military life hasn't left him?
Sister,
isn't it obvious?
You can say that again. Please make yourself comfortable.
Oh my God,
Let's
I
just
feel so bad for you. Like, I remember. Oh.
So, just me. How was the trip to Dubai?
Just you. Well, about that. It was so amazing and memorable.
Please leave that memorable business woman. Just gist me everything in detail. What does?
But that's what I'm telling you. Yeah.
No, I'm listening. I want to hear everything.
What do you want to hear? I'm telling you, it was so amazing. Like, but that's what I'm telling you. Those Arab people.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, General. Sir, this is announcing my position. Ready to be sent anywhere for anything at this moment. Sir.
You're a good military material. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Driver, stand by. The agency on course. Call me Katako.
Elvis, fetch Katako.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing here?
Good afternoon, sir.
Don't say good afternoon, sir. Say good afternoon, General, and you salute.
Good afternoon, General, sir.
What are you doing here? Listen to me. This man is a military institution. I have seen blue, I have seen black. And wherever I go, people respect me. Have you heard me? Say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. What are you doing here? Don't keep staring at me like a rat caught in a trap. What are you doing here? One more time. What in Satan's hell are you doing here? Idiot.
Make you hold yourself in no gree. You no know say na fly when no dey yawo dey follow dey body dey enter. Say that that.
Okay, it seems as though General. Kaburu, what happened here?
No be master too. Na so she enter inside that place and they tell am she no want to understand it yo. General, na so that.
Short manner of interview is going on here. May I remind all of you, I am still the GOC of this cantonment. Have you heard me?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to see this girl here again. Ibe!
Sir.
Drive her out of this compound.
Kabiru, make sure she doesn't come within 1,000 yards of this cantonment. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And you, go there. Man your position.
Isa, are you there yet? Okay, if you get to me, please wait for me. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Doctor says I shouldn't take sugar again. So abinda za ka yi min ba da ke bane in ka samu dabino I'm going to be very happy amma in baka gan dabino ba a sanya min matsan kwaila ina zan tura maka kuɗi ka san ne in na zo wajen turo maka kuɗi akwai shi a jikina kuma akwai sosai na kama kuɗi jiya. Na gode, thank you very much my brother. To ne zuwa ayyo Allah na tafiya kenan.
Jenna, your food is ready. Olóúnjẹ yín ti wà kalẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ló máa ń tẹ́ ń pè láago. Kẹ́ wá jẹun sẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ di wàhálà. Èèyàn máa ṣe oúnjẹ wọn ò ní jẹ. Ta ló máa jẹ fún yín? Ọlọ́run ló máa ń tẹ́ ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí aago. Mo lọ wá jẹun, oúnjẹ yín ti wà kalẹ̀ o. Ẹ wá jẹun sẹ́. Ẹ wá jẹun yín o. Irú wàhálà yìí lè. Èèyàn máa ṣe oúnjẹ ẹ̀ ní jẹ. You have told me that you were not hungry in the first place. You máa sún jẹ kókó wọn ní jẹun jẹun, you máa sì àpọ̀ sí ìkàlẹ̀ fún mi. Mo lè wá jẹun mi o.
So you people have been spying on me, huh? I have lived with both of you long enough for you to know that if I have any skeleton in my cupboard, you would have found out. Well, I'm not really surprised, you know what I mean? Suffering from bloody civilian insecurity. Look, I have a team of experts waiting for me in my office. Security experts. We have an urgent meeting. I'll be back.
The gentle strides of a cat should not be mistaken for cowardice.
Yeah.
It's only a matter of time and I will discover who she is.
We're already used to your coded language, but what we don't know is number of women involved. As I speak to you now, maybe woman number 3 is already on her way.
I'll be waiting to discover who she is.
Who is even talking? Were you thinking that there won't be a junior wife? Let me ask you, when you came into this house, what were you thinking?
There was no woman in his life when he married me.
Really?
If you don't know that, make it a daily anthem. When you ran away with your son and stayed in the other jungle, were you thinking all those 6 years, you were expecting him to be castrated all the 6 years, right?
Listen, woman. Whether you like it or not, third wife is on her way. Get it into you.
Please get out, Jare. General, I won't take this so. General, I won't take this from you. Look at you. Oloshi Julia. You're expecting a third wife.
Kabiru, what are you doing here? Why are you here riding a bicycle like a primary school child when you're supposed to be at the gate? That's where your duty post is, not here.
Wait, make I ask you. You know say na jealousy, na you dey disturb me for here. Na bad belle dey disturb me for here. You know say na me be CSO for this place. For inside this containment, na me be CSO. Anywhere I like, make I dey. If I like, I dey inside this bicycle. If I like, make I climb on top of this container. We carry water.
Oh,
like, make I
shut up! You're such a paranoid buffoon.
Hey.
Whoever watches the gate riding a bike, who is there?
You, Seth, is supposed to go to that gate. Now me go post you because now me be CSO for this place.
Are you not the chief security officer?
That's what I am.
What are you doing here?
Because I you.
Where are your monitoring tools?
Hey.
What do you use for surveillance? Let me understand.
You better make it come up.
Get to the gate. Alright. soldiers. Every soldier must be flexible, must be prepared for combat. So watch me and do exactly as I do. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Good. The fists, like this. Huh? Right leg first. Then you hear me? Come on, soldier, straighten your legs. They're supposed to be legs, not second Einstein waves. Legs forward, right leg. You have a problem with your knees, soldier? Buckle up. Remember, the fists are like this. This, Kung Fu, Karate. One leg, front, and slowly. You go like this, there's the leg. Now, move it. We're going to apply some speed. Go. You see that? Some people are dancing like Makosa Kings. That's not what I taught you. Quickly! When I do this one more time, in uniformity, watch me. Okay? Right leg forward, and left leg backwards. At the count of 3, you switch. 1, 2, 3. Again. Again. Ah, soldier, someone is getting too loud. They're not battle ready. Atako, do this. Get into war, soldier. Come here. Chief security officer. Yes, sir! Good. Then I teach you in combat. You understand the rules of engagement? Yes, sir! Let me see what you can do. Hit me. Yeah! You see that? Give space. Whoop! That is neck here. Okay? Good. One more time. Again. See what you can do, soldier. Hit me. Striking my elbow, and goes into completion. Okay, one more time. See if you can strike me. Overhead, overhead. Okay, and if I move forward, you see that? Okay, I want to teach you one more thing. Hit the button. See if you can punch me. Right hand. Try it again. And I've been able to destabilize it. So what use are you as a soldier if you cannot fight? Step back. Stomach is getting too big. Better give me 25 push-ups, 15 punches, 10 ha! Can I get a sir? Yes, sir! Sir, yes, sir! Yes, sir! Good. Straighten out. Thank you. Watch me. Move. Move. Retreat. Study your opponent. Remember when fighting, look your enemy in the eyes. Anything about your face betrays fear. The enemy will take you down. Again. The enemy knows you're not afraid of him. He will retreat. Easy as ABC. Now you step forward, soldier. I didn't say you step forward. Try you can hold me from behind. In combat, somebody might grip you. You see what I'm doing? Watch me. Assuming your enemy holds you like this and you're struggling, looking for a way. Automatically, normally, if I step on your toes, you feel some element of pain, and I can finish off your face with my elbow. Try it again. Watch me. One of you is gonna attempt this, and if you miss it, I'll shoot your ass off in my ass. Trust me, there's a play with my Yes, I almost lost our balance. But remember, in General Morrison's army, there is no male, there is no female. Line up there, soldier. Thank you. Alright, free yourselves. Free yourselves. Soldiers of General Morrison Ezer, Second wife of the general is in parade attendance. Salute!
Oh, please save me that nonsense. Does anyone of you know if your master is keeping a woman somewhere in town? I ask again. Does anyone of you know if your master is keeping a woman somewhere in town?
Your question well understood, ma. Permission to answer your question, ma.
What is the meaning of that nonsense?
That is how the general said we should be answering questions and addressing.
Addressing him and not me. Get that into your thick skull.
Sorry, madam. What if the general finds out that we addressed you in a civilian way? He will certainly be annoyed with us.
And what about that? He knows I don't like all this is military, whatever. And I ask again, if any one of you knows any woman who is in a relationship with your master, do not hesitate to let me know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Kabiru, what are you trying to say?
What do you mean? Allow him to talk. Since you won't talk, let him talk. I'm listening.
Ma, make you no vex yo. I beg, I want ask more question. Whether you know any medicine where I feel drink, so that I no go there forget something. Because anytime I want talk something, I dey forget it. Even this one why I want talk now, madam, I don't forget it yo.
Do I look like I'm playing with you? Do I look like a jester to you?
Yeah. Kabiru, why don't you be serious for once?
You say, if I walk on, remember something come up on my head and make I do like this.
Ijama, that's my no food for Kabiru in the next 3 days.
That's my.
Get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Nonsense.
Must you talk all the time? You must have not tried to mingle yourself with your family members.
No food for you till the next 3 days.
Alright, soldiers, don't get distracted. He's been slapped and deserved what he got. Let's go back to the drill. Put your hands down, baton behind you. Next drill.
I'm sure he's been discussing with his fellow servants. I should have a word in private with him. Mommy, what's the problem? Were you talking all alone? My dad is really getting on my nerves. What again? Mom! Mom!
What is Kabiru doing there?
He's hungry. Remember that velvet mother said I shouldn't give him food.
Yes, sir.
And ever since, she has been monitoring him. It's very serious. So.
Kabiru is very stupid. Even if he knows Oga's girlfriend, should he be the one to call her name at that time?
See him, he's hungry.
Who be that person? Where they use my name, the chocolate they come from upstairs. Now me, we be CSO Kabiru. Now use they do that. They come for that place, Abi. Me, CSO Kabiru. Oh, make I ask you, where the food where you say you go bring for me? Because you know, say my belly they do like this. They do like this.
Listen, let me tell you. You better go to Madame and tell her that you don't know who Oga's girlfriend is. Even I swear, you begin to swear.
You can't go tell her. Say, I don't know. I don't know anybody. Oh. See, for my hand, I don't know anybody.
Look, she said I should not give you food till you say what you wanted to say the other day by calling the name of the woman.
You know, say me, I forget something. I make her raise my hand up. I forget something.
Why you can't raise your hand up?
Oh.
Why?
Because I don't know anybody and I forget something. I make her raise my hand up.
Oh, well.
Better go and settle with her, or hunger will kill you here today.
Now if you be the chair person for here, make I tell you now, too. If not, they say hunger, make hunger kill me. We be here so Kabiru forget. If not, do please, man, I come past the gate. Man, I come past the gate. You can come past for my gate.
Sorry, I had to go talk to those fellow out there, the security men.
Mom, I didn't like the way they talked to us when we came. Since when did Dad ask them to search visitors with such impunity?
Maybe those are security strategies. Yeah.
Sorry. My bad. Mom, he is Ikena, my mom, second wife to General MAURICE Eze. Sorry, my bad. Chief Mrs. Nwaneri Eze. That's my
mom. Like you can skip the chief part. Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, I'll see you.
Are you okay?
Perfect.
You sure? Please don't mind those feeling outside.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Hope you take that to heart.
No. Anywhere I go, I try to respect their protocols.
That's why you want to raise your hand for them to search.
Why to undress? No.
Alright, don't worry. What should I have?
Cold water.
You sure? Okay. Let me get you cold water.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Now. EJ.
Yes, madam.
Are you getting through?
Yes, I'm getting through.
You need to be fast about it. My husband needs to take his drugs.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Would you please excuse us?
But I'm cooking.
Yeah, I will take over for now till I call you back.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Mom, is there something you're not telling me? I mean, the way you're looking at the king.
Well, where did you meet that man? He looks familiar to me.
How come?
I can't fix it yet.
Mom, do you like him? I mean, as your son-in-law. Is that what your interrogation stands to interpret?
Do not be a parrot. I said I just met him.
Mom, she just met him, yet he looks familiar to you. It looks more like you met him somewhere. Have you?
That you're the one interrogating me right now.
Mom, just something you're not telling me.
How? Chef, please.
So what makes you think I'm not serious all the time?
I'm afraid of what's happening to this place. A lot of deceit out there.
So wait, you're indirectly saying that all the time I've been spending with you has been based on deceit. Is that what your word is literally saying? Okay. See, to prove to you that I'm serious. So tell me you like you, right? So this is what you want. But you know you haven't given me an answer. You haven't given me an answer. You like it? Yeah. Call me something. Sorry.
What are you doing?
In an absence for me not having a ring here, I think this is quite feminine. So, can I get this? You like it? It's not what I actually planned to do. I'm just sort of figuring it out. But it's good, right? It's not gonna go. This one's good, right?
Mom, you promised never to disappoint me, Rita.
How did I disappoint you, Mom?
If I tell you I wasn't expecting marriage proposals, then I'm a liar.
Why are you complaining then?
No, I am not complaining. But I just want to be sure that my only child is not making mistakes. Rita, I was coming back from my friend's house and I know what I saw. So, it has come to the extent of you bringing men into our home. Rita, I saw you all over him. He was also all over you. He lifted you up to his vehicle. Rita, has it come to that?
Mom, I wasn't the one that invited him. I wasn't the one that invited him. But since you saw everything, there was nothing unusual. He's a good person. You know I promised not to disappoint you, yes. And I won't.
Rita, my daughter, it's not all about money or big cars. It's about true love. True love, Rita.
I know, Mom.
Rita, he says so.
What is all this now?
Control myself. They go carry this. They go carry this in complete for my eyes. Me will be Kabiru. I go come off for sequence. I no go come the which I do for here. So they go put that for my eyes.
IJ na you? I think say na at the effect they come.
Now wetin you dey do with my pint and bra? Now wetin you dey watch? Eh?
You know, see, you make I tell you the truth, though. You know, see, anytime why they see you, my, when they do me, Makosa.
Please, what is going on here?
What is this man doing here? And he is at the gate.
Kabiru,
Ibe.
there's a car horning at the gate and you're still here.
No, they thought that in Jare. I go tell me, say me, where be, says, oh, Kabiru. But I can't go there, how forget. Me, I no go there, hear it.
Ibe, they talk something way supposed to be possible.
What was he telling you?
I am sure he has come here to do one nonsense.
This idiot. Whenever he comes around here, he's always watching my undies. And he's misbehaving.
What?
Yes.
Wait, let me understand something. What is happening here?
Who? Ibe, make I tell you something.
If something no concern, make you no put your mouth. You see, for this matter, where would they talk for here? It no concern you. Make you no put your mouth. Go for your position. I beg you, Jare. IJ baby. If you cook finish, make it tell me you. I there for my own working position for it. Sebi they hear me so.
Look, the last time I see you around my pant and my bra, Oga must hear this.
Make you note first, bring your temper down.
Not so fast. Go back there. 3 steps backwards.
You say 3 steps backwards.
3 steps backwards.
You say 3 steps back.
You see, I think I found a perfect solution to your foolishness. I'm going to recommend to Oga that he transfers you out of this cantonment to a much further district. Just watch and see.
Truth. I can't wait for Kabiru to be transferred away from here.
Ibe, he open your own mouth to the talk say he go transfer me from my own CSO position to another place. Wait, make I tell you something. You know, say na general wey be Oga. Na him be the person wey employ me for inside this cantonment. He no get power. Make he transfer me come over here. Say be the yami.
Onome, do you remember where Oga has an animal farm? Huh? Thank you. That is where they will transfer this buffoon to.
Then what are we waiting for? Let him be transferred there. People like this works there.
Oh. Yes. The new place where Oga is raising pigs, rabbits and turkey. That is where Kabiru will be going very soon.
Ibe, make I tell you, you know say they employ me as a security for human being for this place. They no employ me as a security for animal. So me, I no go that place where they say transfer. Not a cause I me for that place. Oh.
No. You don't understand. Onome was referring to the first farm where there are pigs, rabbits. There is a second farm 25 kilometers away from the first one where Oga is raising snakes. That's anacondas, boa constrictors, alligators and hyenas. That is where you're going to. And for the records, they are unchained. So one sneaky thing from you, you're finished.
Okay. That's very good.
Very, very good.
You will go there soon.
There's Maya.
And for the records, I've already started discussing with the general. So he will expedite action soon.
Sorry for disturbing your peace, madam. Permission to bring in the visitor that is standing outside, ma'am.
How many times have I warned you not to greet me the military way?
You just keep quiet. She said, madam. And you know who the madam is.
Hello? Madam. You. Madam. Listen, whenever you want to say madam in this house, be specific and go straight to the point.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Speak for yourself. And who is it?
The guy that came with Auntie Velvet last time.
Let him in.
Good day, madam.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm sure he wasn't addressing you.
You are...
Ikenna is my name.
Oh, Ikenna! How are you?
I'm fine.
My in-law, Velvet's husband. Please sit. I was told you were here some time ago. But I went for one of these meetings. You know what? Feel free to visit anytime. You're welcome.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me go and get busy. You're welcome. I was busy inside. Let me go out. Yeah. You're welcome. Our in-law!
I came to see you, Velvet.
Velvet? My daughter had to go out on the invitation of a friend. Then she contact you.
My phone was switched off for the greater part of today because I've been in this chain business meeting.
Okay. The way you're looking at me, is there something I should know?
Maybe this is an opportunity for us to talk about this. It amazes me that you cannot recollect who I am. Yeah, the last time I was here, I was able to place it the moment I saw you. You have added some weight.
Is there something I should know? Let me know what I'm thinking. You know, the way you guys grow your beards these days, one can hardly recognize you.
In those days, when your husband was in the army, I came to live with you as a house help when my master sent me away.
How are you doing?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I can't remember calling anyone to ask to come fetch water for me.
Please, I have not come here to fetch for you water.
Then why are you standing here?
Please, one of my friends told me that I'm looking for an house help and I'm very available.
You only come to the barracks to fetch water when there is water scarcity in the barracks.
No, I only live with my uncle, who is a soldier. My aunt used to maltreat me. She sent me out of the house yesterday after beating me.
Oh, can I come and talk to her?
No, don't come and talk to them. I want to work with you as a house help. I'm a very good boy.
You?
Okay, but you're not the one to recommend yourself.
It's not like I'm very good boy. Honestly, extremely well.
No, you don't have to recommend yourself. Okay. I would like to see any of your relations here in the barracks before I take anything.
The only relative I have now is my uncle. And he went to Burundi for peacemaking.
Oh, Burundi. That is actually where my husband also went. You can go fetch water for other people. I'll see where I can help you.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. Wait, hold on. Ikenna. Hold on. That's your Ikenna.
Yes.
Go ahead, it's 1, 2, not 3, 4. Go ahead, it's 1, 2, not 3, 4.
Ikenna, where have you been?
It's a long story, and I believe we still have time to discuss.
How time flies. You want to marry my daughter?
When I left your house, I left in a certain situation. But as you can see, I made money.
It is because of that same situation that your marriage proposal to my daughter has become history.
What? Meaning what?
Did I speak Latin?
Madam, please.
Did I?
Please, don't say this.
Ikenna, you didn't think about the fact that the girl you want to marry is over 20 years younger than you are.
My life is saddled with events. I am yet to tell the story of my life. Where I have been, what I have been doing, and...
Do you need to bother telling me? Because I can guess you've been into drugs, international fraud, and even gone to prison over the years.
Please stop. Please.
Hey, Mom. Hey, babe. Mom. Yeah. How are you? Fine. Babe, how are you? Sorry, I hurried up to go help a friend take her mom to the hospital. Your phone is off. What happened? Sorry, my bad. This is Rita, my brother's fiancée.
Hi.
Okay. You don't look yourself. What's happening?
Your mother just said something I cannot bear.
Better learn how to bear it. And you cannot marry this bastard.
Wait. What? I'm a bastard because you discovered I was your house help?
Babe!
Rita, I'm sorry for that. It's one of those things. It's okay, I understand. Yeah, talk to you later. What is going on here? Babe!
Please help me talk to her.
See, I'm sorry for whatever they told you inside there. She used to be like that.
So why didn't you tell me you recognized my mother as your ex-madam the first day you came here? Yeah, she often told me she used to have a houseboy back then in the barrack, but I couldn't have imagined that someday the boy will come our life again.
That's because I was afraid of her reaction.
So, is there any other thing I should know?
Like what?
Like the connection between you and my mother. The things you know that is still hanging in the air.
What's going on?
On the contrary, my mother is beginning to make me sick. You know, she bluntly said that if you're not here, won't marry me because they recognize him as our houseboy.
Just like that?
Yes.
So, okay, did she walk you out?
So if your ex-houseboy appears in the picture once again, as suitor to your daughter, what's the big deal there? Why are you trying to make a mountain out of nothing? What's the big deal? Is he still a house help? I think the young man is well off.
Did Velvet ask you to come and shout at me?
I shouted?
Hmm? I don't want to insult you. Eh? Where did you leave your common sense? Eh?
What?
Madam, what is the problem? Who were you talking to in that man? Have your madness started? Eh? You know that's all you do. You have no respect for anybody. All you know is to run your mouth. Don't even start with my brother because you won't like what I will do to you.
All I'm saying is that you stop wrecking the heart of your daughter, Velvet. Stop breaking the heart of the young girl. She has found love, and that's all that matters. Stop blocking her chances for goodness sake. I mean, you've not been able to fix. Tell us exactly.
That man is too old for my daughter. Period. What is it?
Are you waiting for her to insult you before you take your leave? Brother, you want to continue staying here and be insulted by this woman? What? Please, can you just take your leave? She will not take your advice. She doesn't listen to anybody. This is all she knows how to do. Run her mouth, insult me. She doesn't even like taking advice.
I wonder why some mothers think they can influence the choices of their daughters' marriages with flimsy excuses like age differences and all that.
Talk about age. I don't even guess the difference between your age and that of your husband.
Don't even go there. Mark your limits, so. Just mark your limits. Your interference is becoming too uncomfortable for me. What's your business with my husband and I?
And you think you have the passport to give me such limits? No, wait. You think you have all it takes to give me such limits in this house, in my in-laws house? In the house of a man who married my sister as first wife? You think you've got the passport to show me such limits?
Your in-law is my husband. Your in-law is my husband.
You shut up!
You shut up!
Will you just shut up?
You shut up!
If you talk to my brother anyhow, you'll see what I will do.
It's okay.
Are you mad?
Okay. I am here as an arbiter. Really, I haven't come here to lose my cool. Don't get aggressive against just anybody that way.
Nonsense.
You nonsense.
Okay. Let's go this way. It's about me coming to talk to you, right? I think we have to take a different dimension of this. It's okay. Can I see you? Just...
You want to see me outside?
Just both of us.
Sure. Oh, come and sit.